What if your favorite imported toy, phone, or shirt got insanely more expensive and it all hinged on a law from 1977? On November 5th, the US Supreme Court will decide if Trump broke the rules. This affects all Americans. Welcome back to Clearstream Update. Big showdown coming up. The Supreme Court is set to hear arguments November 5th about Trump's sweeping global tariffs. The question, did a president use emergency powers he didn't have? And what that means for the price of everything you buy. First, what's this case all about? Trump used the International Emergency Economic Powers Act IEEPA to impose tariffs on goods from China, Canada, Mexico, and many others as part of a major trade and foreign policy push. A lower appeals court recently ruled that many of those tariffs were illegal, saying IEEPA doesn't clearly allow a president to impose broad tariffs that's supposed to be Congress's job. Plaintiffs include small businesses, 12 states led by Democrats, and even a toy company Learning Resources. They argue these tariffs are hurting lives, commerce, access, and inflation. Second, why you should care prices already higher. Many goods from overseas were taxed, which pushes up cost of clothes, electronics, household stuff. Those are felt at the checkout. Inflation pressure. When tariffs raise import costs, businesses often pass that cost to you. This makes inflation worse. Precedent. If the Supreme Court allows this, presidents in the future might use IEEPA and similar emergency laws to impose trade policy without Congress. Huge constitutional stakes. Third, what could happen next if SCOTUS rules against these tariffs? Some may have to be rolled back. Taxes you've paid might be refunded. Big relief for consumers and businesses. If for the tariffs, status quo stays, maybe more executive power in trade decisions. Could mean more inflation, less stable trade relations. Timeline, Supreme Court's new term begins October 6th. The case is on a faster track. While arguments happen November 5th, decision might come months later. This isn't just legal mumbo-jumbo. Your grocery bill, your phone upgrades, your paychecks depend on what the court decides. If you want updates when the ruling drops, hit subscribe plus the bell. Drop a comment. Would you favor stronger presidential power for trade or tighter limits? Let's get this conversation going.